The Coffee Cup Hustle. In the city of Austin, Texas, lived a 22-year-old college dropout named Jake. He loved coffee, but he couldn't afford $5 lattes every day. Instead, he used to brew his own and bring it in a plain white cup. One day while sitting in a park, Jake noticed something. Almost everyone passing by was holding a branded coffee cup. Starbucks, Dunkin', Peet's, and yet, most people looked tired, stressed, and late. An idea hit him. What if he sold coffee without a brand, but with a conversation? The next morning, Jake stood outside a metro station with a sign. Talk plus coffee equals $1. People were confused. Some laughed. But one man stopped and asked, "What's this?" Jake smiled and replied, "Just a warm cup and a good word to start your day." That one man paid $1, had a short chat, and left smiling. Soon, more people came. Some talked about jobs, others about life. Jake listened, smiled, poured coffee. In a week, he served over 200 cups. But something changed. People came back not just for the coffee. They came for Jake's words, his energy, his human touch. Soon, he upgraded. A small cart, better cups, and a name, Morning Fuel. A year later, Morning Fuel became a local brand. Today, it has 3 carts across Austin and a YouTube channel called Fuel Talks, where Jake interviews strangers over coffee. Lesson? In America, or anywhere, you don't need money to start. You need heart, eyes to observe, and courage to serve.